To make low sodium gravy. And what we're going to do is we're going to need water, a little bit of unsalted butter, the grease from the leftover meat, and we're going to have some bella mushrooms and an onion. So we're going to go ahead and slice these up and put them in the pan. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Get done doing this, make sure you wash your mushroom. You don't want like dirt on them. You don't want your family eating dirt. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to saute them and then add in our low sodium gravy mix and some water. We got the onions and the mushrooms cut up. I added about a tablespoon of butter and some olive oil to this. And right now I turn the heat on about a 4 or 5. And we're just going to saute these until they're down and soft. And then we're going to set them aside and make our gravy. And then at the end we're going to mix them all together. Okay guys, so these are done. So it will focus. Okay, these are done. So now we're just going to scoop them out. And we're going to put the gravy mix in that I got. And I will link my gravy mix that I got off of Amazon down below in the description. But these are done. We're going to scoop them up. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the gravy mix and 3 cups of water, and then we're going to reduce it. Okay guys, so we removed the onion and the mushrooms, and we put 3 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of the gravy mix. And it's 130 milligrams of sodium per serving. So there's 3 servings in here. We removed these and we're going to add those later. But you just want to put it on a high heat and reduce. The gravy that we're using is this brand, Trio. But we're not using chicken gravy, we're using brown gravy. And I put mine in a container here for later uses because you don't want to keep it in that bag. It may spill or something like that. And you're just going to have it on a high heat and keep stirring it and reduce. And that's it. So the gravy is starting to reduce a good bit. Just make sure that you keep stirring it. And it is so delicious. I've already tasted it and it's watery right now. But once you reduce it all the way, it's going to be a thick, delicious, savory gravy. And it's easy for family dinners, you know, quick meals, mashed potatoes and gravy. It's just yummy. And then we'll add the onions and the mushrooms into it, so it'll be a really good Salisbury steak gravy. See, that was just simple, wasn't much to it. Anyone can make this. It's delicious. Just keep stirring because, like in Bridget Jones' Diary, no one likes a lumpy gravy. Alright, so the gravy is done. Look how thick. And that's a lot of gravy. 130 times 3, that's like 390. Right? And you can use this for so many meals. Like, not just one. You know? So you can separate the gravy into different ones. And then you have the mushrooms and the onions. And it is so flavorful and delicious, guys. But here's how you make it. Look how thick that is. It's just beautiful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share my videos, you guys. It means a lot to me. Also, check out my Instagram where I'm posting other images and things that I make that I don't record. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like. If it will It won't. It won't. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but it's okay. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.